Are you looking for reliable movers in Plymouth? 3 Movers is the top-rated moving company that can make your relocation stress-free. Let's dive into why we are Plymouth's go-to moving company. 3 Movers is a local, family-owned moving company that excels in both local and long-distance moves. With years of experience, we provide top-notch services that include residential, commercial, corporate relocations, and even international shipments. Let's look at why we stand out in Plymouth. Our full-service moving includes everything from packing and unpacking to loading and unloading. Our team uses the best quality packing materials to protect your belongings throughout the entire journey. For business owners, moving your office or corporate space can be challenging. 3 Movers provides expert corporate relocation services. From packing sensitive files to moving heavy office furniture, our experienced team handles everything so your business can continue running smoothly during the transition. Don't just take our word for it. We've helped hundreds of satisfied customers with their moves, both local and long distance. Check out our online reviews and testimonials to see why we are considered the best moving company in Plymouth. Thank you for watching. Make your next move easy, fast, and stress-free with 3 Movers, your trusted Plymouth movers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more moving tips.